Hello, this is my biggest challenge video. Well, it did not take much thought into figuring out what my biggest challenge is. It is dealing with unreliable technology and devices. This week alone, I had lessons planned using my students' Chromebooks, and a third of the Chromebooks were not charging in their cart, and I tried to fix it and nothing was working. I also had 5 students' headphones stop working, which was also a big issue because they are expected to complete 60 minutes in Core 5, which is a reading program, and 60 minutes in GG in school. This is a district requirement, and without the headphones, the students weren't able to listen to their programs. In Core 5, they're listening to phonics and having stories read to them, and to not use the headphones creates so much noise, and it's really distracting to the other students. So that was a bit of a challenge. So the audience affected by this are the teachers in our school and the students, obviously. So what I decided to do was meet with my principal to discuss some of these issues and troubleshoot how to fix them. So together we came up with, to begin, we just hired back our technology aide from 2 years ago. And the principal suggested that I seek him out immediately so that the technology aide can check in and see if there's anything he can fix, and if not, put in a ticket with our district immediately. Additionally, I asked him if there were extra Chromebooks around, and he said yes, there were some of our older Chromebooks. We just need to make sure they're up to date and that we could have those on hand if, say, our Chromebooks that we have in our classrooms are not working. We could use those. And as far as headphones, he is going to order more so that we have some extras available. And so that was really helpful. I personally realized that I have to check every day to make sure that everything is working and charging properly. I also need to check that the Chromebooks are up to date as much as possible, and really go over with my students how to properly take care of their equipment, uh, such as their headphones, to be careful with them, and to be careful with their Chromebooks, because I know some students can be rough with them. So those were some of the ideas that I came up with in order to eliminate these problems in the future, because it really is a problem when you cannot use your devices. It's really difficult. So I need to have backups. The ISTE standards that I think are addressed here are 5A, use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experiences that foster independent learning and accommodate learner differences and needs. 5B, designing authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active deep learning. As well as 2B, advocate for equitable access to educational technology, digital content, and learning opportunities to meet the diverse needs of all students. So in order to address these, I have to have the equipment and it has to be working. So that's my biggest challenge, and I will do everything in my power to ensure that we have devices working on a daily basis. Okay, thank you.